Hey guys, what's going on? This is Castro here, YS Stocks and Options. I just wanted to come here just to do a few things. Really to show you how exactly we're doing and the progress on our weekly forecast, right? You guys know that we do a weekly forecast on the market, right? We do Dow Jones, Russell 2000, the QQQs, NASDAQ 100, and we do the S&P 500, right? So no difference here. Just want to give you guys, again, a progress report. And then we're going to talk about what can we expect from the market today, right? Today, Friday for me, right? It's a little bit, maybe a little bit early for you. So what we're seeing right now, we are seeing the Dow Jones, right? So the forecast for the Dow Jones, the short forecast for the Dow Jones was about $329.78 roughly, right? So that was a successful, right? Success here, right? So if you'd have bought it on Friday, if you'd have bought it Monday, you'd have made some money. That's the whole gist of it, right? Every week we forecast the market, and then we just show you guys what was the prediction, right? Next thing that we're going to go to, we're going to go into the Russell 2000. So you can see here the Russell 2000. The forecast for this one was says what, 190 bucks. I've moved this one a little bit, right? Some of these have been moved because I was using this as a to do some charting, but 190.79, right? $190.79 was the forecast for this one in particular, and that was a successful trade. So we're gonna remove that one from there, right? Check out our previous videos so you can see how we did the forecast, right? We do it on a weekend, and then on Monday, right, the week of trading day, you can see what exactly happens. But before you move forward, don't forget to share, right? Share and like and subscribe to our channel, right? Subscribe to our channel for all these great, great little tips here on how to do a market forecast. But more importantly, we also, every once in a while, we show you stocks that we're trading and what exactly we're buying, right? We've done a few of them in the past, and those are really, really great. And I think you guys can make some money on those if you decide to join the trade with us, right? So that's it for the Russell 2000. So let's go into the QQ keys. I believe that, yeah, we didn't do a forecast for the Qs. I think we did, but I'm not sure where it went. So we're going to just move along to the S&P 500. And for the S&P 500, we said that it was going to go to $413.55 roughly. Again, I moved these a little bit because, again, I was using this, I was using TradingView, this is TradingView right here, to do some charting this week. So gonna remove that. That was success. And what are we seeing right now, right? What are we seeing right now in the market? It's really, really important. I think that's what you guys care about, right? Okay. Can't really talk about the past, right? The past came and went. And what are we seeing for the future? So we had a nice little bullish engulfing candle here that formed on Thursday, right? This is Wednesday. So nice little candle here formed on Thursday. And we know a few things, right? We knew that the volume increased. We know that the CCI, right? CCI right now is hitting, right? Is crossing, almost crossing the momentum line, the zero line. That's a bullish signal. We also know that at $421, right? And 38 cents, that is, right? We have a gap there. We have a gap that has to be filled there. And we know that once the gap is filled, what happened thereafter? Yeah, you guessed it. Usually, it's not a forecast, right? Usually after this happens, the stock has a tendency to come down, right? To test those lows, right? So what exactly this is going to do, the S&P 500 is going to do, I don't really know. I don't know. Well, what I can tell you is that this is resistance, and we have Federal Chairman Jerome Powell actually going to be speaking today for me, right? Also today for you, the 26th of August at 10 o'clock. So what am I talking about, Castro? What do you mean he's going to be speaking? And what is the importance of that? Well, let me show you. So this is our right now. You're looking at our community page, and we have one of our channels is called Newsroom. So in the Newsroom channel, we just post catalysts, right? Really news articles that are shaping the market, right? Things that we think that we see are really being outliners in the market and just being this what do you call it? This yes, you guessed it, right? Disturbances in the market. Yes, the D word. So what will move the market Friday, 26th of August? What exactly will move the market 26th of August? This may move the market when Federal Jerome Powell actually speaks at the Jackhole, right? His speech may cause the market to go up, boom, 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 higher, higher, or it may cause the market to go down. So 10 o'clock is the speech. And what you should see beforehand, you should see a very stale market, meaning that it's not going to go up, right? It may be a little bearish right now, which we're going to see. Haven't looked at it yet. And when the market opens, right, everybody's going to be waiting for the speech. Everybody's going to be waiting for what exactly is Federal Jerome Powell is going to say. Is he going to be hawkish? If it's hawkish, you know the market is going to go where? Yeah, you guessed it. Should go down. We don't know where it's going to go. Should go down. But if it's dovish, it should go up. And hawkish just means that if he's continue on with increasing inflation, not increasing inflation, but increasing rate hikes, right? 75 points right now is the standard. That's what we've been talking about for the last month or two. If he's continue on with 75 points or even higher, right, we can definitely expect the market to go down. But if he says, hey, you know, we're going to go down to like 50 basis points or 0.50, the market may decide to rally, right? So that's what the difference between hawkish 0.75, the higher number, or dovish, right, the lower number. So yeah, so be on the lookout for this news, right? This is going to be key essential news for today, for Friday, the 26th of August. And which way the market is going to go, we don't know. But what we do know is that once we have that momentum, once we see something in the market, we can trade it, right? So that is it. Again, don't forget to subscribe, right? Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment, right? If there's something you want to see or something that you haven't seen before and you want us to talk about, we'll do that, right? But again, the S&P 500 is really going to be testing 421, 421, 40. Oh, I forgot that. I told you guys I was going to show you this. What am I going to show this, right? Right now, right, this is Finviz. Right now, S&P 500 is actually, look, today is forming a bearish candle, right? It's too early to tell, of course, in the pre-market, not even the pre-market, very too early, right? But the point that I was trying to show you guys is that because, right, Federal Jerome Powell is speaking, they're going to index these. They're down, right? They're a little bit down than the highs yesterday. Just a little bit down, just not that much, right? Almost 0.3%, 0.4%, right? That's because, right, this catalyst here that I showed you is definitely going to move the market either one way or the other. The VIX, right, the fear index is a little bit slightly elevated than yesterday, hence why the market seems to be down, right? So, again, that's really the news that's going to move the market today. So be on the lookout and be paying and actually pay attention to that. And one last thing I want to show you, if you have a little time, right? Just want to show you guys our little community, right? This is what we do, how we do it. We have different channels, right? Different channels here. One of our coaches, matter of fact, she posted this trade, right? Our coaches post trade here and spot on money every time, right? Coach D Love, she did analysis on United Airlines, right? For this week, she sold for 100%, right? So this is a trade, you know, some of my members got in or whatnot, and they did really well on this one, right? We have, of course, just a little, show you a little bit of what we do here. Sold Dow Jones put debit spreads yesterday for 30% profits based on a technical analysis for this week. Like I said, based on the technical analysis on our market forecast, right? One of our members actually made 30% of that, right? And of course, you know, a lot of people like D Love. So American Airlines, she loves the airline. So she made 65% on this one. Michael, right? So my lemonade puts for 30%. Right. So my lemonade for 30%. United Airlines. Coach D put that play out there. He made 43% on that. So that's something that we do. Right? Not only do we teach our members how to trade, we also teach them risk mitigation, risk management. Right. We have different tools to do that. But if you want to be part of a community, this may be the home for you. Right. We teach. We have proactive approach to teaching. We have a calendar in which outlines what we're teaching, when we're meeting, right? And also we provide you all the tools that you need to be successful. We say, right here in YS Stocks and Options, we say that your success is our number one priority. And that is the truth. That's why you see a lot of our members like they're killing it week after week, right? And we don't just focus on options. Options is one thing, it's a means to an end. What we really love to do is long-term investing, right? Dividend stocks, right? Uh, growth stocks, right? Building that portfolio that really pays you a nice little profits at the end. So that is all I have to share with you guys. Again, if you want to be part of a community, if you're interested in just learning about options, just learning how the basic of investing, right? We're here, right? We're here to help you and facilitate that for you. And just hit us up. All the information you can find right underneath there, right? All the information that you need will be right there at your disposal. So again, don't forget, right? Don't forget to subscribe, right? The S word, right? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And more importantly, we always say, always practice logic over emotions, right? Always do that. Always practice logic over emotions when you're trading, when you're investing, and just when you're doing everyday life, right? Always do that. And more importantly, if you do anything else, if you do nothing else, right? Nothing else, right? We will see you at the finish line. Again, we are YS Stocks Options, YS Visuals LLC, and be blessed and stay safe. Peace.